Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on personalized ads based on your Reddit activity and account information on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click settings, and now click account settings, and here we'll find personalized ads based on your Reddit activity and account information. Click on it like this and it will be turned on, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.